model, 59 Plate Ford Transit tipper 2.4 tipper starts drives needs gearbox repair No Vat. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 159134. Engine, 2401 cc TDCI 100 PS DURATORQ. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, mechanically sound, fully working with no warning lights on the dash. The engine is fantastic, but the gearbox is noisy in all the gear, so will need repairing or replacing. Definitely worth doing. Got lots of life left in it. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent,